Hello, everyone. My name is Alexis Crook. I'm a customer success manager at ProSymmetry. In this video, I'm going to be walking through our Tempus configuration of sheet templates. So first off, I've got my homepage pulled up. I'm going to navigate to my admin settings and then to my sheet templates tile here. Within this screen, I can see that I have created two sheet templates. You can see the name of them, who created it, when it was created, who last updated it, and when that last update occurred. You can also create a new template within this screen. So I'm going to click into one of these. Let's go into the financials template. And here you can see the information that is within this template. So I've got my column names, my data type, which you can drop this down and see the different options here, as well as if you have something like a selection, you can define what those options are going to be within the template. So I'm going to pull up another screen and go into a project. So I'm going to go into project management and let's click into a project. I'm next going to click over here into my sheets. So in my sheets here, you can see down at the bottom, those two sheet templates that I just showed. And let's see here in our financials template, let's go into that one. You can see here, that these column data types are populating into this sheet. So my expense type, let's check this out. My expense type, you can see that the four options here, A, B, C, D, just like defined in this selection field here. The next one we have date. So within date, you have this little icon here of a calendar and you can drop down and select a date and so on. I'm going to save that and check it back in. The next thing that I want to show is how to create a new template. So I selected at the top, create template. Let's just title this test template. And I'm going to start defining what columns I want in this template. So let's keep it really basic and, test column 1, test column 2, and test column 3. I'm going to select the data type that I want. So let's do bool, let's do currency and date. And I'm going to create that. Now that it is created, it is going to populate within my projects. So if I just refresh this page, you will now be able to see down here, my test template is appearing. So I'm going to check out this sheet. My first column, I selected bool, so we've got yes and no option here. The second one, I can't remember what I selected, currency. So let's enter a number and that's going to turn it into a currency. And my third one, I selected date. And as you can see, I have the ability to select a date there. And I'm going to save and check back in. Now, within this sheet template screen, you do have the ability to delete columns. And you also have the ability to delete the templates altogether. It is going to give you an error message if you delete one of these templates that has data stored in it within a single project. So just be aware of that. I believe that is all for this screen. I do want to point out that we are going to be creating another video going more in depth on sheets and how you can use them, what the different features of them are. So stay tuned for that. And thank you. Please reach out if you have any questions.